Good morning, students. Today we are going to solve our exercise, that is, underline the nouns in the following sentences and point out their kinds. So, first of all, we have to revise the chapter what we learned yesterday. So, what we learned yesterday, students? See here. We all learned the definition of noun, person, place, things. What are the things comes under the things? That living creature, action, quality, state of existence and idea. After that, we learnt about the types of noun. So there are 7 kinds of noun: common noun, proper noun, collective noun, abstract noun, material noun, countable noun and uncountable noun. I hope that you all understand all these kinds of noun very well. So today we are going to solve this exercise. There is no need to solve each and every word in this sentence. We have to underline and state the kinds which is leading the whole sentence. Okay? Now, I am going to start this exercise. Just listen to me very carefully and mark it in your book. And after this video, I will click the pic of this exercise and send it to your classes groups. Okay? So first you have to understand that what is the words belongs to which kind of noun. So underline the nouns in the following sentences and point out their kinds. We all know what are the kinds behind. Now first is gold is yellow while milk is white. What is the leading word here? Gold. Okay, gold comes under material noun. You all know. Next, childhood is golden and old age is grey. Childhood and old age both comes under abstract noun. You have to write down in your copies that which kind of noun is a specific word. Next, the committee has rejected my appeal. Committee comes under collective noun. Honesty is the best policy. Honesty comes under abstract noun. Why? Because we all learned yesterday that kindness, goodness, all the qualities, state and action comes under abstract noun, and all the group which is in collection, that comes under collective noun. Okay? Next, the crowd chased the herd out of the village. What is the leading word? The crowd and the herd. Both the words comes under collective noun. I think you all know that collective noun means a collection, herd. All these words comes under collective noun. Arpit gave a phone to Geeta. In this sentence, you have to mark Arpit as well as Geeta as proper noun. Next, many people do not eat bananas. People and bananas comes under common noun. Next, Sarika's books are on the table. We have to mark Sarika as a proper noun and table as a common noun. Next, Milton, the great poet, wrote Paradise Lost. Milton comes under proper and Paradise Lost comes under proper. Both comes under proper noun, because Paradise Lost is the only book which is written by Milton, the great poet. Next, Tipu, the ruler of Mysore, was a courageous man. That means Tipu, Mysore, and courageous. Courageous comes under abstract, and Mysore proper, and Tipu is also comes under proper, because Tipu and Mysore is the name of a particular person and thing. A doctor came to my house. Doctor always comes under common noun. Next, the boys are reading books. Boys and books both comes under common noun. Next, my brother has gone to Germany. Brother and Germany. Brother comes under common and Germany comes under proper. 14th one, Vandana gave Vinita. Vandana and Vinita both comes under proper noun. And the last one, but not the least, father taught me how to play the drum. Father and drum. Father and drum both comes under common noun. So I hope, students, that you all understand this exercise very well. So solve it in your grammar book first, which is in page number 16 and 17. And after completing in your book, you have to write it down in your grammar copy. Put today's date, that is 5/5/2020, and you have to complete this exercise in your grammar copy also. So you have to copy your exercise A in your grammar copy, and if you have any kind of problem, students, then ask me in your allotted period of time. Okay, now revise your all the chapters in each subject which is going on, and if you have any kind of problem, you can ask with your subject teachers as well as me also. Okay, till now, take care. Thank you, class.